Hello, hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to discuss how to use the features and functionalities in Lincoln Navigator. If you want to use the rear blades to clear the rear back glass. Until somebody doesn't show you, you don't read the manual, you won't figure it out. It's very, very simple. So basically, by the wheel on the right side, there's a little stick, and on top of the stick, there's a button. I'm gonna show you in a minute. There's buttons, and then you click on that, and then you pull the stick to you, and then the washer fluid will come out and clean the rear back glass, not the front but the rear. The front is easy, but the back part, some people cannot find it. They look for it, and they cannot find it. And I've had some people who drive it, and they tell me, Benny, where's the back wipers? And I'm gonna show you now. I'm gonna switch the camera. Look. And I'm showing you now. Look. So there's the stick that I was telling you. See? All you gotta do is pull this. That's the front. And this, you press this button right here. See this? That's the front. But then there's the back. You gotta raise this up and then push this forward. You see this stick? You push this forward and it's gonna show like this. You see? See how it's cleaning it? And then that's when you come out, you look at the car, you're not gonna see it. It's gonna come out. Then to shut it off, you see, look, there's a small buttons. Look. You bring it down, all the way down, and it's gonna shut off, you see? All the way down. Where it shows 0. When it's to the top, it's fast. As you can see, it's stopped wiping. So all you gotta do, push it forward. You're gonna push it forward all the way down, and that's how it works. Okay, guys? Guys, don't forget to like, share, subscribe. And have any comments, please let me know. Okay, this is how to use the rear wipers for a Lincoln Navigator. Until next time, thank you. Check out my channel. Bye bye.